The best investment apps of 2025, ranked and reviewed. Want to grow your wealth but don't know where to start? In 2025, investing has never been easier, thanks to these incredible apps that make investing simple, smart, and even fun. Today, we're ranking and reviewing the best investment apps to help you maximize your money. Let's dive in. Section 1. Understanding investment apps. Why investment apps matter. Investment apps have completely changed the way people manage their money. No longer do you need a financial advisor or a deep understanding of the stock market to start investing. With the right app, you can build wealth from your smartphone with just a few taps. Types of investment apps. Before we dive into the rankings, let's break down the different types of investment apps available today. Robo-advisors. These apps automate investments based on your goals and risk tolerance. Examples include Betterment and Wealthfront. Stock trading apps. These allow you to trade stocks, ETFs, and sometimes even crypto. Examples include Robinhood and Webull. Micro-investing apps. These help you invest small amounts of money, often by rounding up spare change from purchases. Examples include Acorns and Stash, retirement and long-term investment apps. Designed for retirement planning, like Fidelity and Vanguard. Crypto investment apps, focused on digital currency trading, such as Coinbase and Binance. Section 2. Criteria for ranking. Now that we understand the different types, here's how we rank these apps. 1. Ease of use. Is the app beginner-friendly with a clean and simple interface? 2. Features. Does it offer automation, research tools, portfolio management, or unique perks? 3. Fees. Are there hidden costs, subscription fees, or commission-free trades? 4. Security and trustworthiness. How secure is your money and personal data? 5. User reviews and ratings. What are real investors saying about the experience? Section 3. Top 7 investment apps. 7. Stash. Best for beginners wanting guidance. Stash is perfect for beginners who want step-by-step guidance in investing. With just $5, you can start investing in fractional shares of big companies. The app also offers educational tools and an automated portfolio option. However, Stash does have a small monthly fee. 6. Coinbase. Best for crypto investing. If you're looking to invest in cryptocurrency, Coinbase is one of the best platforms available. With a simple interface and a strong security track record, it's great for beginners and pros alike. Keep in mind, though, that trading fees can be higher than other platforms. 5. Robinhood. Best for commission-free stock trading. Robinhood revolutionized investing by making stock trading commission-free. The app is user-friendly, making it easy to buy stocks, options, and even cryptocurrencies. However, it has faced criticism for its payment-for-order flow model. 4. Acorns. Best for automated micro-investing. Acorns is fantastic for those who want to invest effortlessly. It rounds up your purchases to the nearest dollar and invests the spare change into a diversified portfolio. It's a set-it-and-forget-it approach to investing. Just be mindful of the monthly fees. 3. Fidelity. Best for long-term investors. Fidelity offers some of the best research tools, zero commission fees, and outstanding retirement planning options. If you're looking for a long-term investment strategy, Fidelity is one of the top choices. 2. Webull. Best for advanced traders. Webull is packed with advanced charting tools, in-depth market data, and even offers free stocks to new users. It's an excellent choice for traders who want more control over their investments. 1. M1 Finance. Best overall. And at number 1, M1 Finance. This app blends automated investing with customization, making it perfect for both beginners and experienced investors. It offers commission-free investing, customizable portfolios, and automatic rebalancing. Section 4. Choosing the right investment app for you. So, which investment app should you choose? Here are a few tips to help you decide. If you're a beginner ***, go with Stash or Robinhood. If you want automated investing, try Acorns or M1 Finance. If you want long-term investments, check out Fidelity. If you're into crypto, Coinbase is a great option. If you need advanced trading tools, Webull is your best bet. Investing is one of the best ways to build wealth over time, and these apps make it easier than ever to get started. Remember, the best app for you depends on your investment goals and experience level. Now we want to hear from you. Which investment app do you use? Drop a comment below and let us know. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more investing tips. See you in the next one.